Hi friends, today we are going to learn another grammar lesson which is الحروف الشمسية and الحروف القمرية, which means the sun letters and the moon letters. Now let's learn the sun letters. Ta, tha, dal, dhal, ra, za, sin, sheen, صاد, ضاد, طا, ظا, lam and noon. The moon letters are alif, ba, جيم, ح, خا, عين, غين, فا, قاف, كاف, ميم, واو, ha and ya. So what is a grammar rule in this lesson? So this lesson deals with al and any word after it. When al comes in front of a word, it makes it definite. For example, the pen or the book. So al qalam and al kitab. So the al makes it a definite word as opposed to a pen or a book, which is any book or any pen. So now let's look at the rule. If after al any of the Qamariya letter comes, then the lam of al is pronounced. I will give you examples in the later part of the lesson. And if after al any of the Shamsiya letter comes, then the lam of al is muted and assimilated with the Shamsiya letter. About the lesson in detail, al-Qamariya letters, which is the moon letters. So in this, the lam in the al is pronounced, like alif after al abu. So we can hear al and the abu, which means father. So the next one is ba. So al and bait. So we can hear the lam in al and the Qamariya letter ba. The same way, jim. So it is al juban, which means cheese. So we can hear al and we can hear the jim. So al juban. The next one is al ha. The next word is ha. Al hawa. So we can hear al and hawa. So al hawa, which means air. The next one is kha. So if we say al khubs, so we can hear the al and the khubs. Al khubs, which means bread. Also ain. So al ain. So the lam is not muted. It is al and ain. And in the similar way, goin. So goin is also a Qamariya letter. So al ghoda, so which means lunch. And the next Qamariya letter is fa. So it is al famu, so which means mouth. So we can hear the lam of al. And the next Qamariya letter is qaf, al qamar. So we can hear the lam in al qamar. The next Qamariya letter is mim. So when mim comes in after al, we say al ma, which means water. And the next Qamariya letter is actually wa, which is al walad. So this is not ya, this is wa, and it is al walad. It's my mistake here. And this is the next Qamariya letter is ya, which means al yad, like al yad. So we can hear the lam in al. So now the huruf shamsiya is sun letters. Ta, at-tajir. So the lam is not, it's not al-tajir, it is at-tajir, which means trader. The next shamsiya letter is tha. It is at-thalab. It is not al-thalab, it is at-thalab. So we can't hear the lam. The next letter is dal. So it is ad-dik. So the lam is assimilated and we can hear only the dal, ad-dik. Dhal, al-dhahab. So it is not al-dhahab, it is al-dhahab, which means gold. The next Shamsiya letter is za. It is az-zahra, not al-zahra, it is az-zahra. So it is assimilated, the lam cannot be heard. The next letter is sin, Shamsiya letter, and we say as-sama. We don't say al-sama, so the lam is not pronounced. The next is sheen, shams. So it is al-shams, ash-shams. Dod, ad-daif, which means the guest. It's not al-daif, it is ad-daif. The next Shamsiya letter is Saad. So it is as-saif, which means summer. So it is not al-saif, it is as-saif. We can't hear the lam. The next letter is Ta, at-talib. It is not al-talib, the lam is muted. At-talib, which means student. Dha, az-zarf, which means fingernails. So it is not al-zarf, it is az-zarf. Then lamb, it is al-lahm, al-lahm, which means meat. So the lamb is assimilated. And noon, so it is an-najm, it is not al-najm. The lamb is muted and we hear only the noon. So an-najm, which means star. This lesson about the Shamsiyya and Qamariya letters is clear. So if you have any doubts, please do comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also share it with your friends.